Hi there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this amazing video where you'll find 100 plus best braids hairstyles for black women. You come to find braids for natural hair as well. Of course, it doesn't always have to be just the relaxed hair type. You can also wear braids even while on natural hair. You can find variations of braiding hairstyles for black women right here with beautiful unique designs. You can see some quick and easy hairstyles for women right here. Come to find amazing guide to conrolling your hair. You come to find probably one or two front, side and back views of some of the hairstyles you come across right here. Conrolling hairstyles for black women has really come to stay. It's an amazing look for women that love long-lasting hairstyles and beautiful look. You can also see beautiful braids with cornrow compilations of some of the best hairstyles for black women right here. Go right ahead and subscribe to this channel if you're yet to all our subscribers. You all are very wonderful. Without you, we won't be where we are today, and we keep growing because you make it possible. And we hope that you continuously come on board to watch our videos as it gets uploaded. We want the very best look for you. For whatever outing or occasion you're looking for, you're sure to find something right here just for you. Go right ahead and subscribe to this channel for ideas. Of course, we want the very best look for you always. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to leave us a like. Do not forget to share this video with friends and family. Always come back for more right here on Trendy Styles Forever. You're sure to find something very unique and amazing. Keep coming back for more. You take care and bye.